Nabasa natin.
이렇게 생겼네.
잠깐만.
And scale data offers precise numerical measurements, trends, group similarities, and compare performance across different categories such as sex, course, or preference.
Thank you.
Thank
For
you.
those
Ito po daw.
who need tutorial, please approach me if you need help. Okay?
She. Hanggang makaba tayo. Tingnan mo. Hi guys. Actually, this is from my group mate kasi meron kaming gagawing fish o something. Ay, hindi pala fish o. Sa biochem pala. Kailangan namin mag-record ng demo. Gusto ko tuloy bumili. Charot. And I'm so sorry for the kalat. Parang gusto ko na mag-podcast, guys. So, magsistart na akong kumanta. Kasi, it's already 2:53. And na-amaze ako kasi narinig ko talaga yung boses ko here. ASMR. Nagsistart na ako.
Yung total natin. 3 to 5.
Mali lang pala ng tingin lahat. Mali lang rin siya ng tingin na may pag-asa siya kay Ilya.
Ayan, okay dito yan.
ventral pancreatic bud. This one, dorsal pancreatic bud. Of course, this is the liver. Tama? And this is your gallbladder. Here. Tapos yung pinaka... That's your cystic duct.
Chill lang siya. lang?
Pumayag siya eh.
Ay, we?
Hindi niyo kinontra.
10 pesos lang naman yung cash out.
No. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Ikaw pipiliin ko dun.
Small elevator, rising fast, quickly progressing, passing through frame, pulling us in and out of shadow. Thomas finds his voice. No response. Thomas is alone, or is movement in the dark coming from a chicken wire crate. Thomas.
Last day na po ng finals. Here! Hello guys. So today I'm going to leave the dorm na kasi it's our sem break. Ang left na lang to do is tanggalin yung bed sheets and other. So basically nakapag-ayos naman na ako. And so tanggalin ko na lang itong mga ito na alikabokal. So babalik kasi ako ng December 8, 7. So yeah. So I think basically this will wrap the final season. First and final season. Although we're still waiting talaga sa magiging results sa portal. So hopefully this straights up. So guys, hopefully we'll still be able to hang out sa second sem prelims, midterms, and finals until makaabot tayo ng second year. Yeah. Hopefully. So yeah, I'll meet you on my next vlog. So that's it for this YL1 first sem series. Bye! Look. Chocolate, you know. Bell. Bell.
Masagod siya.
Ba't siya humaharap?
Oo nga.
Ano yun? Ina-asthma siya?
Siya ada.